Are there any alternatives to the Riba Prohibition in Islamic finance? Breaking news for those interested in Islamic finance. The question on many minds today is whether there are alternatives to the prohibition of riba, or interest. As more people seek ethical financial solutions, understanding these alternatives is more relevant than ever. Islamic finance provides several options that align with Shariah principles while promoting fairness and stability. One key alternative is the profit and loss sharing model. In Musharaka, all parties contribute capital and share profits and losses based on agreed ratios. This model encourages mutual responsibility and risk sharing among partners. Another model is Mudaraba, where one party provides the capital and the other manages the investment. Profits are shared, but losses are borne solely by the capital provider. Asset-backed financing is another alternative. Murabaha is a cost-plus sale contract where the seller discloses the cost and profit margin to the buyer. In this arrangement, the bank buys an asset and sells it to the client at a marked-up price, payable over time. Ijara is a leasing contract where the bank acquires an asset and leases it to the client for a fixed rental payment. Ownership can transfer at the end of the lease term if agreed upon. Sukuk, or Islamic bonds, are also significant. Unlike conventional bonds that pay interest, Sukuk representing ownership in tangible assets or projects. Holders receive a share of profits generated by those assets without guaranteed returns. This structure aligns with Islamic ethical standards while avoiding the pitfalls of interest-based financing. Halal loans provide another option, offering funds without interest. These loans are often structured through profit sharing or service fees, steering clear of the exploitative nature of traditional loans. These models focus on linking returns to actual business performance or asset use, promoting justice and social equity. They also avoid investments in prohibited sectors, reinforcing the moral framework of Islamic finance. While these alternatives comply with the prohibition of riba, they may involve different risk and payment structures compared to conventional finance. Availability can vary depending on the financial institution or region. Overall, Islamic finance presents practical and ethical alternatives to interest-based financial products, promoting a system based on justice and shared prosperity.